Hi there, VIPs. Okay, wow, I just remembered that I meant to share with you the gift free motion quilting design. Totally forgot about it, so sorry about that, but here we go. So I've got some plain red fabric here and I've chosen white thread, so I'm hoping that it's going to show up really well. I've got my my darning foot on. Mine looks a little bit different to the regular ones that come with domestic machines because mine's got a stitch regulator sensor built into it, so it just helps keep my stitches more uniform. So just takes a little bit of the guesswork out. So as you can see, I've got my lovely Michael Jackson gloves on. If you're doing free motion quilting, I would always recommend using some sort of quilting gloves. You can buy just a new pair of gardening gloves and use those for your quilting if you want, as long as they've got some sort of rubber grip on the palm area and the fingertips. That will help you. Okay, so to get started with any free motion design, I'm just going to pop my needle in to the fabric and bring up the thread from underneath so that it doesn't get tangled in my design at the back. All right, let's pop the other glove on. Okay, so for the gift design, I'm just going to come down in like a line, coming down with a gift and then a swirly swirl and then a gift and so on. To start off with, we'll come down a few stitches and then I'm just going to make the first loop of the ribbon over to the right hand side and back to my same point. And then we'll go to the other side and back to the middle. I'm not sure you can see that close enough actually. I may try and move the camera a little bit closer. But for now I'm going to just make the box shape. I've gone out to the side, down, across the bottom, up the side. You can make it look regular or irregular, totally up to you. Back to the middle there, and then I'm going to come down to about halfway and stop. I'm going to come across and then back across, back to the middle and then down, and that kind of forms our gift. I'm just going to press stop and just try and change this so you can see better. Alright, so I think you can see that a little bit closer now. So I've completed the first gift and then I'm just going to come and do a little bit of a loopy swirl. Alright, and then we'll come back down again and do another little gift. I'm afraid this is jolting around quite a bit. Let's just see. Okay, so we'll do that first ribbon loop and back to the start, second ribbon loop and back to the start, and we'll go and form the gift, back to the centre, down to the middle, oops, and across, and then down. So you don't have to do the horizontal ribbon if you don't want to. You can just come straight down. So we'll do one of those now. Do one more. you can see all the gifts along there. Right, well, I hope you feel brave enough to give that a go. If you've got any questions, then obviously pop it in the comments.